Good morning, students. Welcome to today's session of mathematics class. Today we will be continuing our chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. We will be discussing exercise 2.5 today. Let's see what is there in the topic. Reducing equations to simpler form. Students, during the live doubt clearance session on Saturday, we discussed how to remove fractions from the equations given. Isn't it? How? By taking the LCM of the denominator. The same concept we are applying here. Your first question is solve 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 equal to x minus 3 by 6. Students, you can see denominators here. Okay. Now, which are the denominators? Here, the denominators are 3 and 6. Students, can you tell me which is the denominator here? Yes, the denominator is 1. So, multiplying both sides of the equation by 6. Can you see 6 here? That is, where is this 6 coming from? As I told before, 6 is the LCM of 3 and 6. 6 is the LCM of 3 and 6. Both the sides or the entire equation we are going to multiply it with 6. Here 6 into 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 6 into 1 equal to 6 into x minus 3 by 6. Students, notice that I am not taking this as two separate terms. This is one term. 6x plus 1 by 3 is a single term. Similarly, x minus 3 by 6 is also a single term. Okay. Now, cancelling 6 by 3. What is 6 divided by 3? 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, 2 into 6x plus 1 plus 6. That is 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Now, here what happens? 6 divided by 6 is 1. So, I don't need to write it here. Now, removing the brackets. 2 into 6x, 12x. 2 into 1, 2 plus 6 equal to x minus 3. 12x and this x comes here. 2 plus 6 goes to the other side. So 12x minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 6. Minus 3 is already here and plus 2 and plus 6 is changed to minus 2 and minus 6. 12x minus x is 11x. This when you add, you are getting minus 11. So 11 divided by minus 11 is negative 1. So what is the value of x? X is equal to negative 1. We'll move on to the next question. Solve the following linear equations. This is exercise 2.5, first question. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. For your kind information, I'll revise what are terms. Okay. Here this is the first term. This is the second term. That is x by 2 is the first term on the left hand side and minus 1 by 5 is the second term on the left hand side. Similarly, x by 3 is the first term on the right hand side and positive 1 by 4 is the second term on the right hand side. Now, multiplying both sides of the equation by 60. Where is this 60 coming from? My God. As usual, you can see many denominators here. Which are the denominators? 2, 5, 3, 4. So 60 is the LCM of 2, 5, 3 and 4. Multiplying each and every term by 60. 60 into x by 2 minus 60 into 1 by 5 equal to 60 into x by 3 plus 60 into 1 by 4. Reduce the fraction. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 60 divided by 5 is 12. 60 divided by 3 is 20. 60 divided by 4 is 15. So what is the final equation which you got? 30x minus 12 equal to 20x plus 15. I'll take 20x to the left side. What happens? Positive 20x change to negative 20x. 15 as such, negative 12 comes to the right hand side, that is plus 12. So 10x is equal to 27. X is equal to 27 by 10. So the solution for this equation is x is equal to 27 by 10. Next question. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equal to 21. Here the denominator is 1. So how many denominators are there? 2, 4, 6 and 1. So if you take the LCM of the denominators, you will get 12. Multiplying each and every term of the equation by 12. You can see 12 into n by 2 minus 12 into 3n by 4 plus 12 into 5n by 6 equal to 12 into 21. Reduce, you will get n equal to 36. Now, here on the left hand side you have one term. On the right hand side also you have one term. Okay. Now, denominators are 3 and 5. So, taking the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So, 15 into x minus 5 equal to 15 into x minus 3 by 5. Reduce the fraction. You will get 15 divided by 3 equal to x minus 5. And 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Now, 5x minus 5 into x minus 5. 5x minus 5 into 5, 25. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 3, 9. Taking the variables to the left hand side and constants to the right hand side, you will get 2x is equal to 16. And 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8.